Hey, my name's Tucker Kraus, and welcome back to my channel, and today's video we're going to be doing another uranium stock update. Today is March 23rd of 2022, and by the time this upload's going to be the morning of the 24th, and who knows what time it's going to be or day it's going to be when you're seeing this. So, let's just first up look at some charts, because we can just go through this very quickly, of course, no need to waste time, hop right into it. So, URNM right here, we can see we're a good bit above the 50-day moving average, and it looks like we're just coming into some resistance that we bonked our head on last time. Right, we can see here, just recently came up, we hit our mark right here on about $88, we fell back down to about the 50-day moving average, bounced off that, and we're going to have to come up for another retest right here. If you zoom in a little bit here, you'll be able to see we're just below that number right now, so we'll have to see if we can come in and hit it and blow through that resistance, and after that it's pretty much a clear path to about the high 90s. So we got a similar view here when we're looking at SPUT. We finally broke out of this little pattern we were in here in about early March, late February. We blew way through, we bonked our head here at about a little over $19, fell back down, rose back up, and looks like we're coming to retest that and see if we blow through. And so I think that's very important for both URNM and SPUT to see if they can blow through these highs we just hit after consolidating for a little bit. Otherwise, it might be a little bit ugly if we bounce back off those little resistance lines back lower. Anyways, let's go over the stocks that we're going to be looking at the fundamentals for today, and that's NexGen Energy at the largest with a $2.7 billion market cap, followed by UEC and Denison's also in the $1 billion club, followed by Global Atomic, Boss Energy, and Fission Uranium all in the $500 million club. After that, we have UR Energy, Lotus Resources, DYLLF, and Bannerman, and GoviEx, and UEX, and Peninsula Energy, and Forsys Metals all in the hundreds of millions, and then we have Blue Sky Uranium quite a bit smaller at $45 million for their market cap. Now, I should note Bannerman was temporarily delisted due to a share dilution, so their price here is from a couple of days ago, and looking at their ASX, which is being dumped right now as I record this, chances are their price is actually going to end up a little bit lower, so there could be a decent buy the dip opportunity on them relative to the rest of the uranium market, depending what you think of Bannerman. Before we continue though, if you're not already subscribed, do that, because a lot of you guys watching are not subscribed. Only about a quarter of you guys watching are actually subscribed, and it helps with the channel a lot. Eventually I might be able to monetize it if enough of you guys subscribe, all that sort of thing. So it would be great if a lot more of you guys went and hit that subscribe button. It's free. Alright, so looking at price per pound here, we can see I just decided to actually color code these. So I would say in the green is where we see some really solid price per pound performance. This is sub $2, all in the green. And that's Deep Yellow, Bannerman, UEX, Forsys, and GoviEx. Now in the yellow is, it's not good, it's not bad, and we have Blue Sky, Uranium, Global Atomic, and Peninsula Energy, and that's in the sub $5 range, though above $2. And after that in the red, this is a really high price per pound that is just not appealing to me, and that has Fission Uranium, Boss Energy, Lotus Resources, NexGen Energy, Denison Mines, UR Energy, and UEC. Alright, so let's keep moving into the DCF here. Now, in the green, we have Global Atomic, UR Energy, NexGen Energy, Forsys Metals, Denison Mines, Fission Uranium, Peninsula Energy, and Blue Sky Uranium. These guys all look substantially undervalued when we look at $80 spot price with 50% capex and OPEX inflation alongside a 10% discount rate. And then we see in the yellow here, these guys aren't horrendously overvalued at that price, but they're definitely overvalued relative to $80 spot with these parameters as I just noted, and that is going to be GoviEx, Lotus, and Boss. And then Deep Yellow, Bannerman, UEC, and UEX are significantly overvalued using that parameters, and so looks really ugly here in the red, or with those parameters I should say. Though of course, in a bull market for uranium, chances are it's going to go blow way past these. Obviously, we already have when we look at, say, UEC, or way past its fair value, and again, that's going to continue with a lot of these companies, because in a massive commodity bull market, the fair value is not going to matter as much. We're going to blow right through it. I like taking these more so as a don't buy the stock above this price. That's just me personally, though, of course, I recommend doing your own research, all that good stuff. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to, once again, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Do your own research, because this is not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only, and I will see you next time.